What's going on, guys? It's Mo here with Off-Road Addicts. I hope you guys are having a good day today. This is something that we first announced on our YouTube channel. At F-150, beautiful right next to me, just added a full-on 3M 2080 satin black hood wrap film. The cool thing about what we're going with on this build right now, that we're shifting over a little bit more to the off-road scene, bringing in all the carbon components, the lighting, everything that we've done on our muscle scene to shift it over and introduce a new scene, which is the off-road. We're super excited to work with our client over here. He has a beautiful F-150 where we got him the grill Raptor style with the amber 3 LED lights in the front, and on top of that, to contrast it, we just wanted to add a little bit more touch to it. Adding the satin black gave the truck a different, complete look. Now, we do offer carbon fiber hoods for this truck, but right now we wanted to go ahead and show you guys the satin black 2080, how it sits on the truck. Extremely well comfortable, and we're gonna be offering obviously a full-on wrap drops for trucks. Alright guys, so when we go ahead and wrap this hood on the F-150, maintenance is definitely really high key point for us. So the first thing we had to do is wash the hood extremely well. Clay bar it and detail it with an awesome Adams polisher to make sure we give it a nice smooth surface. After that, we laid the 2080 film to make sure everything was cut out to the size of this hood. And lastly, we go ahead and squeegee it and laid the film nice and comfortably. Stay tuned, guys. This truck is not done. We have a lot more plans that our client's coming back to promote some awesome mods that we're gonna be adding on this beautiful F-150. What's the next build? What is the next mod that we're gonna be adding? Make sure you write and leave a comment down below. We would love to hear from you guys, and I can't wait to show you guys what's next and what's coming for this F-150. I'll see you guys soon. Peace. And laid the film nice and comfortably. That's it, really. We maintain and clean the surface extremely well. The first thing that we did, we